All right, turkeys.
Why aren't you looking at
Hey,
me?
I got 5 kids in here today. I want all you 5 kids right there. We got a special lesson thing. This is a classic, infamous IQ math question thing that involves a game. Now there are 3 things in here. One of them has a piece of gold under it. It's not actually gold, so don't get too excited. But you're gonna have to guess which one it's under. Now first, I need a volunteer.
Me.
Okay. You got 1 in 3 chance to guess which one has the gold. Don't flip it over, just tell me which one you're picking.
This one.
Okay, so this is your pick. Now, I'm going to show you that it's not under this one. Do you want to switch your pick to here, or do you want to keep that one? Now, first one of your thoughts is going to be, is this guy trying to trick me? Because if you got it right, and I'm trying to give you another option, I could be trying to trick you into changing your answer, right? But I'm just going to tell you, every time we do this, I'm going to flip over one that is not the correct answer after you choose one. So it doesn't matter what, if I want you to win or lose, it's just basic statistics thing. So do you want to keep yours or switch to the other one?
Keep on.
Okay. You didn't get it, but that's just, luck. Here it is, right here. Piece of gold. Okay, now I want to keep track of every time someone changes their answer and gets it right, or changes their answer and gets it wrong, or keeps their answer and gets it right, and keeps their answer and gets it wrong. So can you make some columns in that piece of paper? Here, let's see.
Me.
I'll do it. Okay, so one side of the piece of paper, we're gonna have if they change their answer, and the other side of the paper we're gonna say if they keep their original answer. And we're gonna say, put a check mark here, for that means all they're correct. If they ended up with the right one, it goes here. And if they got it wrong, it goes there. Right here, wrong here. So every time someone changes their answer and they end up winning, put a check mark, an X, a circle, what do you want to put?
A check mark.
Draw a circle.
Okay.
Every time they keep their answer and they lose, put a circle. So we're gonna end up seeing what happens here. So she just kept her answer, right?
Yeah.
And you did not get it. So that's 1 for that. All right, scorekeeper.
Me.
Now you guys can't look. Don't look, don't look, don't look. I gotta put the, don't look, stop looking. Okay, your turn, go ahead, pick one. Pick one.
I get right.
Just pick anyone. Just pick one. Oh, you're not supposed to look. You can't look. Okay, we gotta do it again. Okay, let's do it again. Let's do it
You
again.
got it right.
Shush, 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 shush. Okay. That was very good psychic powers, but you can't look, okay? Okay. Now just point to the one that you think it is without flipping it over. Go. No, don't flip it over. Okay, no. Now, I'm going to show you that it's not under this one. Do you want to switch the answer to this one, or you want to keep that one? You want to keep that one?
I think I'll keep it.
Wait, decide. Are you switching to this one? Is that what you're saying? Okay, switch your answer. Flip it over. You got it wrong.
Oh.
Somehow, you're just guessing right on the first one every time. Okay, she changed her answer and got it wrong. All right, now we're gonna fast forward. I'm gonna turn off the camera. We're gonna do this like a whole bunch of times and see how it comes out. All right, whose turn is it next?
Mine.
All right, close your eyes. Okay, pick one.
This one.
All right, now it's not under this one. Would you like to keep or switch?
Switch.
Negatory. Put it on the thing. How is our chart looking?
Like this.
Do we have a pattern yet? It appears we do have a pattern. What's the pattern?
The pattern is. Rosie, stop trying to get
Well, over here on whenever you keep it, there's a few check marks, but a lot of circles. Why are you using check marks? Which gives you the better result? Changing or keeping?
Changing.
Changing, right. Because over here it's like twice as many. You get it right twice as many times. And if you keep it, you get it wrong twice as many times, right?
Yeah.
More or less. So why is that? You want to know why it is? Okay. This is a really simple thing if you explain it correctly. Now, somebody choose one. Okay. Now, when you choose this one, what are your chances that this is the correct one? 1 out of 3. 1 out of 3. So there's a 1/3 chance. Now, what are the chances that you got it wrong?
1 out of
2. 2 out of 3.
2 out of 3.
So chances are you did not pick the right one when you just pick 1 out of 3. There's only a 33% chance or a 1 out of 3 chance that you chose right the first time. That means there's a 67% chance or a 2/3% chance that you got it wrong the first time. Now, if I remove one of the other options out of these two, now you have a 1 in 3 chance that you got it right, and you still have a 2/3 chance that you got it wrong. So if you switch to this one, that's a 2/3 chance it's here, right?
Yeah.
Right? Let's just do that again real quick. We don't even need the thing. You choose one, you have a 1 out of 3 chance of getting it right. That means you have a 2/3 chance of getting it wrong. So most likely it's going to be here by twice as many, like twice the odds that it's going to be here. So if the person who knows where it is can eliminate one of these, then you get to choose more likely the correct one. So it's kind of like if you chose this one, you get 1 out of 3 chance to get this one right. And this is 2 out of 3 chances that you're going to get it right. If you could choose both of those, you would definitely choose both of those, right? Because that would be twice as many odds as getting this one right. So if someone eliminates the one that's not it, it's the same as you just choosing both of them. So that's why changing your answer is the better option. Presuming the person is not trying to trick you or anything.
If the person is trying to trick us.
If they have, well, okay, if the person is trying to trick you, then say I put the thing here, say you pick this one and it's correct, then I want to do anything to try to give you another chance to change your answer. So I'll be like, okay, what if I show you this? Do you want to change your answer? I'm just trying to get you to change your answer, right?
Yeah.
But if you chose this one first and I know it's here, I'll just say, oh, you got it wrong, right? So it only works if the person has to show you one of the remaining ones.